Adapt. Adapt.
Adapt. Adapt. To change your behavior in order to deal more successfully with a new situation. It's amazing how soon you adapt. The organisms were forced to adapt in order to survive. To change a book or play so that it can be made into a play, film, television drama, etc. 3 of her novels have been adapted for television. The radio play had been adapted from a novel. To change something in order to make it suitable for a new use or situation. These styles can be adapted to suit individual tastes. The gym has been adapted for use by visually impaired students.